Today I'm going to show you how to use LangChain together with your model that you have locally running on your own machine. So this is a way you can use LangChain without using OpenAI and the OpenAI API key. And this allows you to just be more flexible in determining what kind of model you use and how to run it, and so on and so forth. So this follows an instruction that is provided by LangChain themselves. So I linked that here too. I made some small modifications to this, but in essence, this is how it's being done. So I'm installing some dependencies here, transformers, LangChain community. So transformers is the HuggingFace library. Accelerate is to use GPUs, which I'm going to be doing in this case. Then I'm importing these dependencies. There is always a little bit of a mix-up here because it is a very fastly evolving ecosystem, so I most of the time can ignore that. And then I'm deciding which model I'm going to import from HuggingFace. I'm going to use this one here, 350 million parameters for code generation, and this is what I'm going to do. So you basically take the tokenizer as well as the model with these predefined class constructors here, and then what it will happen is it downloads the model when you run it the first time, and then you run it. I put all that into a pipeline. This pipeline takes then the model, the tokenizer, I tell it how many tokens it can output, and all this goes into this HuggingFace pipeline. So this is an object by the LangChain library. The prompt template is rather simple. I'm just going to post that question, and then I can construct that chain. The prompt goes into the HuggingFace pipeline, and it now has this model embedded into it, and I can prompt it. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to say, here, write me this merge sort. So nothing else. This model is pretty much trained to then provide you with that. And the inference takes just a few seconds, and then we should be seeing an output. So we're going to look at that, whatever comes out of it, in a few seconds, hopefully. And it depends a little bit on how you're set up in terms of, what kind of infrastructure running. This is longer than I expected, but yeah, it gives you that. Now I won't kind of go into the quality of this model and what kind of great code it writes. So obviously this one is not always getting you the best. So I usually use that to then fine tune it to my use cases. But you see, it does what I wanted it to do. It's not using any external OpenAI service, and it's just running that model locally on my machine. I hope you found this useful. Let me know, and I hope to see you in one of the next videos. Thank you for watching.